In this video, I'd like to introduce you to what I believe is the best WooCommerce CRM plugin for WordPress. My name is Paul Tobey from Training Business Pros. Thanks for joining me. If you have WooCommerce and you're not making enough sales and you want to make more sales, 10%, 20%, you absolutely need a CRM to follow up and get people to buy stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing CRM plugin called Groundhogg. I'm going to go and show you 3 different types of funnels that you can use, and a lot of them are very easy to set up. And we're going to get started right after this. All right, today we're talking about the best WooCommerce CRM plugin for WordPress. And if you have WooCommerce, then you absolutely know that people just don't buy when you're ready to sell. They buy when they're ready. So if you're following up and getting them to buy, then you're probably making more sales. And if you need a plugin in WordPress to do that, I've got to show you and tell you about Groundhogg. I think you're going to be amazed at what it can do. And so we're going to go through 3 different types of funnels. The first one is the product review funnel. That's a funnel that you send people emails after purchase, a certain time after purchase, and get them to give a product review, either on your website or on Amazon or Google Places. Wherever you want people to give a review, you can ask them to do that. The second thing is we're going to talk about abandoned cart sequences. This is when people put their stuff in a cart, in the shopping cart for WooCommerce, and they don't check out. And so what the Groundhogg funnel does is it follows up with them a couple of times, puts the stuff right back in their cart, gets them to check out, and maybe adds a coupon code. And then finally, how to run a sale to your mailing list. And of course, with WooCommerce, you can't really send emails to people. So you need a good CRM that sends out emails in sequence over a period of time to get people to buy something that's on sale. And in this particular case, we're going to run a spring sale. All right, if you're ready, let's dive in and get started. So here we are inside Groundhogg, and all you want to do is go to funnels and then add a funnel. So the first one we're going to add is a product review request. And so just click Start Building for review request. And what this benchmark does is it says, if they purchase this product, a product with the following tags, or a product in the following categories, or any of the following products, essentially what it'll do is it'll run this delay timer, which will last 7 days, and you can change that to anything you want. You could say 4 days, 7 days, 14 days, or 3 months. And then what it does is it sends them this email and asks for the product review. If you actually look at the email, it's a basic email, and all you have to do is edit it. And then you have to edit the link on where you want them to review the product. So if they're reviewing it in WooCommerce, make sure you send them to the right place to review that. And of course, you can brand this email. All you have to do is add an image at the top, grab your logo, and you can resize the logo, and you can put other images in here. You could even put an image of a product or something else, and you would basically set that to ready. And there you go. And then what you can do is, if they don't leave a request, maybe you could send a reminder. So I'll now just add another delay timer. And so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it to the review request funnel. Of course, you can make it as concise as you want to, and there's lots of things you can do to make it better. And of course, let's move on to the next one, which is the abandoned cart sequence. Now, abandoned cart is a pretty popular one. It's already pre-configured. There's a template here in Groundhogg. Just click Start Building. And just like the other funnel, it starts with a benchmark that says this product was added to the cart. So it's a different benchmark. And you can say any product, or a product with the following tags, or a product in the following categories, or any of these products. And then what it does is if they do not purchase the product, it waits 3 hours and then sends them a reclaim cart reminder. So let's go and edit that email, and you can see inside there's a couple of replacement codes. The first one is the actual cart contents. And what it'll do is it'll display everything that's currently in their cart. And then there's a button that says click here to restore cart. And what it does is they're sent back to WooCommerce, and all of the products will be in their cart. What you could also do is add a coupon code. Which is a good one in order to incentivize them to purchase. And of course, you're going to have to get that coupon code from WooCommerce, and you would just put it in here. So 50 off now coupon code. And then, of course, it'll have a delay timer of 1 day and then another reclaim cart. You could add a different coupon code to that one, maybe 10%. And if they actually empty their cart, it'll wait and then it'll send them, hey, you don't have anything else in your cart. Click here to get your stuff or to recover your cart now. So to recover your cart, simply click here. So it actually remembers what they have in their cart. So that's actually a pretty cool funnel. Now at the end, there is a product purchase benchmark. And you could say, again, a product with the following tags or the following categories or any of these products. If they actually purchase, then any of the reminders that you're sending will stop. So again, any benchmark that is achieved lower in the funnel, the person or the contact will jump to that point in the funnel once that has occurred. So in this case, if they buy something, the funnel stops, the reminders end. And the last one that I wanted to show you is how to run a sale to your mailing list. So let's go take a look at one that I've created here already. And we're going to call this 10.marketing spring sale 50% off. The reason why we use 10.marketing is it's because it's a naming convention. It keeps our marketing and our sales and our fulfillment funnels separate. So in this case, we've got a tag applied goal. So what we would do is we would sort the list, the contacts in our list, and we would say, send it to these 300 people and add the tag to them so that this tag goal is achieved. Once that tag goal is achieved, then they're put into this funnel, and then they would be sent this first email. So you can select the email to send, or you can create a new email. Let's just go and do that quickly. So an example of this would be we're running use this coupon code, and then what you can do is actually add a button like this. Click here to shop now. And essentially what that'll do is take them to the items that are on sale. And obviously you have to grab that link from WooCommerce and send them right into the store, and they can purchase the products. And then what you'll do is run a delay timer of maybe a day and run another delay timer of a couple of days. And of course, anytime they purchase the product, in that time, they will be sent. So then anytime they purchase a product, they'll be pulled from the funnel because that goal is achieved. And that's how Groundhogg works. If you actually look at WooCommerce Products, there is places in the product to add tags. So for example, let's take the Year in Business Master Plan, which is a course. And you can see here on the right-hand side, we've added a product tag called Product, the Year in Business Master Plan. And also in the product attributes, there's a Groundhogg integration that says, hey, when they buy this product, apply this tag. When they buy this product, remove this tag. So you can see everything with CRM is run with tags, and there's a lot of cool things that you can do. It's quite configurable. All right, so that's my pick for the best WooCommerce CRM plugin for WordPress called Groundhogg. Please check it out at Groundhogg with 2 G's at the end, .io. You won't be disappointed. Please go check that product out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions or comments about the content of this video or anything else, please put them below. My name is Tobey. Have a great day.